I've put the buckle on my helmet this time. Right, I'll just do a wee check. These are all locked, 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 locked. Hey. Is that working okay?
Aye, perfect.
That nav 6 is a pile of shite.
It's a pile of shite, isn't it? Going out to Erskine Bridge, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Erskine. Huh? Oh, I'm caught at the lights.
I know. You still good anyway.
Ah, look, this bridge looks familiar.
Haven't seen it for a while.
No.
You've been across this bridge more than me.
Probably have actually. So today's audio setup is 2 DJI microphones. DJI Mini 2 mic that records me, and you're being recorded with the DJI Mini, the older one. Yeah man. So I've got like version 1 and version 2, the microphones tuned into the Action 5 camera. That way I can wear my shoe buff. I do like this lid. Yeah. Are you sure it's clipped in right? Yeah, this helmet, this C4 Pro, it's got a nice fluffy interior there. Yeah. Sixteen and a half.
16.5 degrees.
Scorcher.
It means when we get to hell, it's going to slip off on the beach or something.
Bollock naked. Oh, hi there.
You can see that well, look at that.
No. I can over.
You don't need to look at your clocks.
Oh, fucking hell. Look at the size of it.
Even I can see it. I've got my glasses on. Brilliant.
Ah, like 5 cars back can see it, I know.
Oh, that's really recommended.
Go and dip your right shoulder so I can see how fast you're going. Oh, brilliant. It's been a long winter, but it's just good to get back out.
This is my 4th time out.
Aye. Well, I've not been recording them, eh?
This is our 3rd.
Aye, it's our third time out. first time recording and first time testing this new setup.
Can you Starbucks get some eat?
If you want, yeah.
I'll have a McDonald's.
Ah, McDonald's. There's no McDonald's here though.
Starbucks.
Nah, Starbucks. There's no McDonald's. There's not a McDonald's. See, the car park hasn't improved. Holy fuck, that's some lean, eh? That's how.
Really back of it.
Ah!
Get some eat and then we just go one scoop right away.
That's better.
Try.
The size of that hole. Hmm?
I tried to take my helmet off without lifting the front.
You're needing lessons. Right. Starbucks. This is where John went and remember when he reconnected his, well, connected his new car door.
We're at Starbucks, you big fanny. Where are you?
Starbucks.
Trophy is not a fucking thing you put in your mantelpiece, right? Because your bike wouldn't fit. Get on that fucking bike and get out of here with us, boys.
Get on the bike.
See you later.
Bye.